In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the security question in Yahoo Mail. It's important to note that Yahoo Mail has updated its security features over the years, and while you might not be able to manually disable security questions in the way you used to, Yahoo has moved towards using more secure methods like phone verification and email recovery. So let's walk through how you can enhance your security settings. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Yahoo website. Once you're there, log into your Yahoo account with your credentials. This is your gateway to accessing your account settings. After logging in, look towards the top right of the screen where you'll find your account icon. Click on this icon, which will bring up a menu. From this menu, select Manage Your Account. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can control various aspects of your account. Once you're in the account management area, look for and click on Security. This section is crucial as it contains all the options related to keeping your account safe and secure. When you're in the Security section, find and click on the option for two-step verification. This is where you can add an extra layer of security to your Yahoo account. Two-step verification helps protect your account by requiring a second form of identification in addition to your password. In the two-step verification area, Yahoo provides you with an option to use an authenticator app. This is a great tool for generating secure codes on your smartphone, so go ahead and select this option. Yahoo will then display a QR code on your screen. Use your authenticator app to scan this code. This step links the app with your Yahoo account, allowing it to generate the necessary verification codes. After scanning the QR code, your authenticator app will provide you with a 6-digit code. Enter this code into the Yahoo security setup where prompted. This step confirms that your app is correctly synced with your Yahoo account. Finally, click Next to complete the setup process. By enabling this two-step verification method, you are effectively bolstering your account security without relying solely on outdated security questions. And there you have it. You've successfully enhanced your Yahoo Mail security by setting up two-step verification through an authenticator app. This method is far more secure and ensures that your personal information remains protected. Remember, keeping your account secure is an ongoing process, so always stay informed about the latest security features and updates. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.